The International Space Station, ISS, stands as a monumental symbol of human ingenuity and international collaboration in the realm of space exploration. Originating from competitive ambitions of the 1980s, the ISS has become a beacon of peace and cooperation among nations. NASA's initial dream of a space station called Freedom and the Soviet Union's independent Mir program laid the groundwork for what would eventually unify many nations under one cosmic goal. In 1993, the two superpowers shifted from rivalry to teamwork, kickstarting the international venture that would involve partners from Europe, Japan, and Canada, ultimately leading to the formal inception of the ISS program in 1998. The construction narrative of the ISS is filled with remarkable milestones that showcase human determination and technological prowess. The launch of Zarya, the first module from Russia, on November 20, 1998, marked the inception of this floating laboratory. Just weeks later, NASA followed suit with the Unity module, establishing the foundational elements of a structure that would symbolize unity in diversity. The arrival of Expedition 1 in 2000 heralded a new era of continuous human presence in low Earth orbit, a significant stride for humanity. Over the following years, various modules like Destiny from the USA and Kibo from Japan were added, each representing the collaborative spirit and scientific ambition of participating nations, culminating in the completion of major construction with STS-135 in July 2011. Transitioning into the present, the ISS has transcended its initial construction phase to become a dynamic research platform, championing breakthroughs in various fields. As a microgravity laboratory, it offers unparalleled conditions for studying biological and physical phenomena, leading to advancements in medicine and robotics. NASA extended operations into the 2020s, acknowledging the ISS's critical role in preparing for future explorations of the Moon and Mars. The arrival of the SpaceX Crew Dragon in 2020 marked a pivotal shift towards public-private partnerships in space travel. Furthermore, recent expansions such as the Nauka module from Russia continue to enhance the ISS's capabilities. The contemplations surrounding its future, including potential deorbiting or replacement by commercial space stations, signify an ongoing evolution in humanity's quest beyond our planet. The ISS stands not only as a marvel of engineering, but as a lasting testament to what can be achieved when nations collaborate for the betterment of humankind.